Good day. Today we are going to be discussing factors that affect water availability in South Africa. Water availability in South Africa is affected by a complex interaction of environmental, infrastructural, and socio-economic factors. These contribute to the country's ongoing water scarcity challenges, as South Africa is a water scarce country. Climate and weather patterns. South Africa's semi-arid climate results in uneven and often insufficient rainfall, particularly in the western regions. Climate change worsens this issue by increasing the frequency and the severity of droughts, leading to reduced surface water and groundwater recharge. For example, cities like Durban have been experiencing dam level dropping by 20% since 2010 due to low rainfall. Agricultural practices. Agriculture is responsible for approximately 50% of South Africa's total water use. Inefficient irrigation methods and the cultivation of water-intensive crops strain water resources. Also, the use of fertilizers and pesticides contributes to water pollution, further decreasing the availability of clean and drinkable water. Infrastructure and management. A significant portion of South Africa's water infrastructure is old and poorly maintained, leading to substantial water losses. In the Gauteng province, for example, up to 40% of water is lost due to leaks and burst pipes. This inefficiency disrupts the reliable distribution of water across the country. Pollution and environmental degradation. Industrial activities, mining operations, and substandard waste management practices contribute to the contamination of water sources. Acid mine drainages and the discharge of untreated sewage into rivers and dams degrade water quality, reducing the availability of clean water. Socio-economic factors. Rapid growth of pollution and urbanization increases the demand for water in domestic, agricultural, and industrial sectors. Urban areas, especially informal settlements, often lack proper water infrastructure, leading to variations with water access. Moreover, economic constraints limit investments in water infrastructure development and maintenance. Governance and policy change. Effective water management is hindered by issues such as corruption, inadequate funding, and uncoordinated institutional responsibilities. The Department of Water and Sanitation has faced criticism for financial mismanagement, with reports of significant irregular expenditures impacting its capacity to fund essential water projects. In conclusion, by addressing water scarcity in South Africa, it requires a multifaceted approach that includes implementation of sustainable agricultural practices to reduce water consumption and investing in the maintenance and upgrading of water infrastructure to minimize losses, enforcing environmental regulations to prevent pollution of water sources, and also enhance governance and accountability within water management institutions by promoting public awareness and education on conservation. By tackling these areas, South Africa can work towards ensuring more sustainable and equitable distribution of water resources for its population. Thank you.